Good morning, everybody. Listen, we back with another video today. As y'all can see, I got the Toyota in the driveway, man. Look at Javon, he hopped in the car so fast, he didn't want to wait. They see you. But anyway, listen, my car has been in the detail shop, so it's done today. We're gonna go pick it up. We're gonna meet Josh, and we're gonna see the crazy work that he did on JELLYCAT, because JELLYCAT had a bunch of scratches. Let me put this in the car really quick, y'all. Hold on. So we're going to get the car right now. You guys are gonna meet Josh. He's the owner of Rochester Auto Details. He does great work. So if y'all been following the channel, y'all know that Javon, when I first got my car like a weekend, Javon threw a rock at the back fender. So it was a nice little rock chip and a little dent on it. So hopefully he fixed that along with all the scratches, and maybe make some of the rock chips look a little better. I'm hoping. But when we get there, we'll see the car. Y'all see the car. It'll be the first time I've had it in a full week, so I miss my car, man. Bless you. What you gonna say? You gonna say what's up, YouTube? Y'all see the Corolla, man. Listen, big sturdy steering wheel, little touchscreen. You know, we live in a little something light, nothing crazy, something light. And hold on, wait, don't get it twisted. Hold on. Big horsepower, man. Stop playing with us. We'll still smoke anything on the road. We're not playing with y'all. Ain't that right? We still fast, huh? When we first got this car, he was like, ooh, Daddy, I like the new car. It smells good. When I first floored it, he was like, Daddy, it's slow though. It's a cool, nice little whip, man. I wouldn't mind having one of these for like a daily or something. It's a cool, nice little whip. Ooh, he just big hit the curb, brody. Not the rims. Oh, man. Oh, hold on, I'm about to show y'all the big horsepower. Not playing with me. We out of here. Ooh, that's 0 to 60, boy. 15 seconds. Woo! See, I told you it was fast. It's faster than a Hellcat. Alright, so I gotta run it. Me and Javon gotta run into the post office. So as y'all know, I've been doing my new little business venture. So I gotta drop off a couple orders to the post office real quick. We gonna run in here and run right back out, y'all. Oh, that's kind of something different. I ain't never seen nothing like that on no Z car before. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I'm liking those wheels though. He don't want no smoke though. Hold on. In the Toyota? Hold on. He don't want no smoke. Stop playing like we slow out here. Not playing with no man. Hold on. Oh, he trying to make moves, Brody. Hold on, I'm with you. Better stop sleeping on a Toyota. Hold on, stop playing. He don't even know. Big turbo. What he talking about? Oh, look, he right there. You see him? Yeah, I thought he was coming to get us. Maybe he not, I don't know. Uh-oh. He about to get somebody.
What?
I said he about to get somebody. I knew it.
What the? Why he got a police light?
I knew he was about to get somebody. There was 2 of them there waiting. That's why, yo, oh my God, bro. And I'm telling you, that same spot where he just caught homie speeding at is where they always see me driving by and pull me over too. Like, I've got pulled over like 4 times out here. No ticket, but 4 times, bro. Crazy. So we out here, man. Like I told y'all, Rochester Auto Detail, that's him right there, Rad. So we coming to check out the whip. He's got the Hellcat all done up right now. This is his shop right here in the front. Y'all see the Toyota, man. We not playing games. We'll still spank anybody on the road, man. We not playing with nobody. So he's got a couple nice whips in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, my God. Josh, what's going on, buddy? Ooh, my God. So this is the only part I really care for, where Javon threw the rock at. It actually looks pretty good. You can't really tell. Man, this thing's glossy. bro. Oh my god.
A lot of work, but it was worth it.
I know. Is it the color?
It's a combination of everything. I mean, the coating itself just adds so much gloss, but so does the polishing. So.
Jeez.
At least you see it in the sun.
Oh, you even did the tires too. Damn, the tires look clean too. Those front ones gotta go. Those look pretty bad. Oh my god. Damn, I missed my car, bro. Yeah, this thing looks crazy, man. In the sun, Jesus. I just figured, I always felt like those wheels make the color look so much better as well. So much better. Jesus Christ. Are they gonna update your sign? Yeah, because when I first pulled up, I'm here, but I was like, oh shit, wrong sign.
I covered the one out front, but
yeah.
I gotta pay for this one. So.
I got the one in the front for you, so if anybody that's looking for your shop, I always tell them to look for that sign in the front. So
yeah, I'm hoping to get that done soon. I've just been trying to pay off some bills first.
So everybody, this is Josh. This is his shop. He's did like 3 or 4 of my buddy's cars. He's did that Performante you guys seen that I ride with. He's done that orange ZL1 that I also ride with. A bunch of other cars. I'm gonna throw his Instagram here for you. If you guys need his location, he is on Elm Grove, which is also on his Instagram as well. But that's it. There's JELLYCAT. It's all done. It's clean, ready to go. I gotta take the rental back, but he's gonna drive and pick me up from the rental place, and we'll drive back. But it's looking good, bro. I love it. I love it.
Super happy with how it came out.
Yeah, it's clean. So I wanted to see him rip it down the street really quick. Give it some gas too. Give it some gas. Bro, all you need on your Hellcat is cat delete. That's it. Hold on. Oh, wait, we don't want to get copyrighted, so we got to turn that down. My fault, DMX. We got to turn that down, brother. Oh, my God, that just sounds so crazy. I haven't seen my car in a whole week, bro. Missed my car, bro, but big shout out to Josh, man. He did a great job. The car is like literally like purple glass, bro. That's literally what it looks like. I love it. He did a great job, bro. And his prices are definitely reasonable. So anybody looking to get their car done to him, he does everything. He does PPF, paint correction, ceramic coating. I think he does window tint. I'm not 100% sure. We'll ask him when we get back. We'll confirm all the details and stuff when we get back. So, all right, so we all good to go. We're gonna let Josh drive back. All right, buddy, we good to go. So you're in 7 now. It'll be a big difference from when you took off.
And tell me more than that, because you got callus and the intake. And
yeah, a couple more. Well, the cats hurt you without a tune, and I don't have a tune yet, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, and it sounds way better too. It sounds way better.
I gotta go catless soon too, but my cats are just clogged, so the whole car like shakes at idle.
The smell doesn't bother you?
It only smells when if I floor it.
If you floor it.
I mean, honestly, every car I've own's been catless, so it doesn't really
bother you.
Much, no.
Yeah, I miss my baby, man. I'm actually not even gonna go anywhere. So I'm just gonna go see my lady and go right back home.
I can't believe it snowed yesterday, and then it's 60 degrees
60
today.
degrees today, bro. We have the weirdest city, man.
That's New York for you.
Weirdest city. And I woke up this morning, it's like 40. And an hour later, it's 60 degrees.
Yep. Heat on in the morning, AC on in the afternoon.
Yeah, it's so weird, bro. See the difference already.
Oh, yeah.
Of course. Of course.
Oh, we'll get it again.
Oh my God.
And that hooks up.
Yeah, I told you the tires are good, bro. So those are the Nitto R2s. Those are the new model to the regular Rs.
Okay.
So they're supposed to be just as good, but better in the rain.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I bought them, because I daily drive it. So
yeah. And
I can't. Rain is no excuse for me. I still need to drive the car. So that's why I bought them, because for the rain. I just had to get you.
Wow.
That's crazy, right?
That is nice. That's fun for a daily driver. I mean, the Magnum is like 425. I mean, with the intake, it's probably like 400 at the wheels. Yeah. But I mean, this is twice the power. Yeah.
You believe it or not, though, like Scat Packs will hang with this car until about 80. So from like 40 to 80, a Scat Pack is bumper to bumper with me after 80. But it's crazy though.
Wow.
Because I raced my buddy's Scat Pack, and I mean, we were pulling like, and he was with me, like I said, to about like 90. He's right next to me. So it's not a crazy difference, it's just that top end power.
Yeah, for sure.
That's the big difference with that blower.
The supercharger just keeps on pulling.
Yeah, I figured you didn't get a justified pull the first time.
No,
it still sounded crazy
that was
though.
like half throttle. I just wanted to be respectful of it.
Yeah, no. It's meant to be done, bro. That's why they build it for. All right, buddy, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, the shop is so nice, by the way, too, man. Especially with the lights. Are these like a certain type of light that give them like that extra like brightness, or it's just LED?
No, they're just, so you know, most of those like fluorescent lights, they got the tubes in them. These are just LED panels. So the whole
thing.
Like,
okay, got you.
Yeah, they're 6500K, which is like a bluer tint to them. Sheesh. So it makes it better to see scratches.
Yeah.
The tape's on there because I'm going to be painting the ceiling just to make all the tiles look.
It's 6500 like a strip?
No, it's 6500. It's 6500 Kelvin. It's
oh, you're talking about the temperature. Okay. I thought you were saying that's how much they cost. I was gonna say, oh my God, that's crazy.
They are.
Yeah, let me know when you get that stuff in. I'll get a bottle of the foam stuff for sure. All right.
Sounds good, man.
Appreciate it, man. Now I told them you do coating, you do PPF. Do you do tint as well?
I don't do it directly, but the shop next door does.
Next door does. Okay. Perfect. So PPF, coating, and then you do a full detail, right?
Yeah, anything from a quick hand wash to something like yours, you know, full paint correction.
Full paint correction.
Coating, can do wheels off. I got anything you can think of, even for interiors.
Perfect.
I don't sell a lot of it, but I have interiors for coating, so like the leather, like you can coat leather so it stays cleaner longer. Literally anything you can think of, automotive-wise, detailing-wise. Even if I don't do it, I probably can. Okay.
All right. Perfect, man. So that's Josh, y'all. Everybody. And his shop, like I said, is on Elm Grove. What's the address here one more time?
491.
All right, man, so I'm finally back. I got the car from the detail shop. We good. Y'all see the hood open. Y'all see my guy. Y'all know who this is, though. If y'all been following from the beginning, y'all know who that is, though. We started the channel doing little bullshit reviews, but...
As soon as he got the FFP, he just got
I got bougie, bro. I can't do no reviews no more. Nah, I ain't gonna hold you. I do need to go back to doing reviews, though.
I seen that Kia Stingray, that shit.
Yeah, I gotta go back to doing reviews though. But car is good. Y'all see the hood open because we got another video we about to do for y'all right now. And if y'all been following, y'all already know what time it is. So we about to take apart the hood, take it off, put the new one on, and then we gonna go from there. It should be simple, bro. I think it's literally just these little pins here, a bunch of these everywhere, these two bolts to take the hood off, and that's it. We just gotta rewire the holes for the windshield washer, the windshield sprayer thingies, and I think that's it, if I'm not mistaken.
Take off these clips?
I hope. Nah, I got plastic. What's some shit's called? Pry tools. Yeah, I got some of those. I'm gonna go grab them in a minute. So stay tuned for the next video, man. We gonna see you on the next one, man. We out. Peace.